Pleasant good morning to everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May the peace, mercy and blessing of Allah be upon you. Now today I am going to start the lesson, C reading, Gulliver's Travels. Suppose if a person tell the life history of himself, it is known as autobiography. One word substitute at that time I taught you. The person who tell the story of his life, it is called autobiography. Or if a person's life, the life history of someone else, that is called biography. Okay, biographical sketch I given to you or not. Now let us see this lesson. This is autobiography. What the person says about his life experience, life history. Let us see. On the 16th of June 1730, which year? 1730, 16th June, we discovered land. We means a Gulliver's, he discovered the land. Our captain sent a dozen men, his captain, ship captain, he sent a dozen. Dozen means what? 12 men with vessels for water. With vessels, he sent for water, drinking water. If any could be found, or if any could be found. When we came to land, we saw no river or spring, nor any inhabitants. When they discovered the land, his captain, they sent them, all the members, to the land to get some water or to get something from the land so that they can eat. So when they went on the land, they did not find any river or any spring or any persons, those who are residing on that land. They never saw any inhabitants. When we came to land, we saw no river or spring, nor any inhabitants. No one reside there. I went on to explore. So he started exploring the land. The country was barren and rocky, and that land was barren. Nothing will grow and rocky. I turned back to join the crew. So he turned back to join his crew members, only to see them getting into the boat. Just you can see them getting into the boat and rowing for life to get to the ship. And they ran too fast to save their life. Why? What is the reason? Because they saw something on the land. Okay, what is that? Let us see. Before I could reach them, before Gulliver he reached them, I observed a huge creature. What he observed? What he saw? A huge creature walking after them. He saw a huge creature walking after them in the sea as fast as he could. He was walking as fast as he could. Okay, so what he saw? He saw a creature, a huge creature, a big creature. So, by seeing them, all of the Gulliver's crew member, they ran and they boarded the ship and moved away from there. However, the monster was unable to overtake the speeding boat. However, that monster, a huge creature, he did not overtake them. I turned back quickly and climbed up a steep hill with fields of barley on other side and the corn rising up 40 feet. There were a fence to pass from one field to the other, and there was a fence, a boundary to pass from one field to the other. Okay, so what happened here? Gulliver, what happened to him? He shared his experience, what happened to him on 16th of June 1730. Okay, so when they discovered the land, his captain, he sent him to get some water or something to eat from the land. When he and some other member, when they went to the land, they did not found anything. The land was barren and there was no rivers, no spring and nothing and no inhabitant. Later, he wanted to join his crew members, but they ran as fast as and they boarded the ship to save their life. So what is the reason why they ran very fast? Because some huge creature started following them. So to save their life, they moved their boat from there. leaving Gulliver alone on that land. So what he did, he climbed the hill, and what he saw on the other side, he saw some fields of barley. It was impossible for me to climb because every step was 60 feet high. It was impossible almost to him because every step was 6 feet. Even you can see we are only 5.5, some of them 6 or 7. But every feet was 6 feet. Okay, every step. I was trying to find a gap in the hedge when I discovered one of the inhabitants in the next field walking towards the fence. Then what he saw someone walking towards the next field. Okay, inhabitant of the land, he was walking towards the next field. He was one of the same size of the creature chasing the boat, and that person was also the same size that what they saw the man who was chasing them. Okay, so it means a huge creature. So actually that land was which land? Let us find out in the next class.